Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of La Georgia Creation Designs. I am coming to you all today to show you how to make and create this cute little ring that I have on my finger. Uh, I'm going to be using some wooden beads, so here are the beads that I'm going to be using, but I'm going to be using the smaller ones, okay? So you're going to need some wood beads. I got these from Joann's Fabric. I got these from Joann's Fabric. And so these are the ones I'm going to be using. And you're just going to need some aluminum wire. You're going to need a ruler, pretty much. You're going to need some round nose pliers. And I believe that's it. Oh, and some wire cutters. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut about 10 inches of my aluminum wire. And this is 12 gauge aluminum wire that I'm using, so I'm going to cut 10 inches. You don't have to cut 10 inches. It's completely up to you, but that's the length that I am going to be using. No, you need 10 inches of wire, okay? So basically, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a loop up at the top, just like that. Okay, that's my loop, using my round nose pliers, and then I'm going to use an assortment of my beads here, but the small ones. I'm going to be using the real small ones. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so basically this is what I don't know why this is sitting here, but this is what I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using 6 of these little small itsy bitsy beads, and these are about 6 millimeter, I would say. They're about 6 millimeter. So I'm using two in the brown, 2 in like a light tan, and 2 in like a cream color. Okay, and basically all I'm gonna do is I'm going to just put my beads on, just like this. I'm gonna use that color, then I'm gonna go to the next color, and then I'm gonna go to slide them on. Okay. Okay, so I got all of them on, all 6 of them on. And this is something really, really quick that you can make and create. You know, if you're going out somewhere or something, you can just make yourself a really quick, cute ring. And it's adjustable. Y'all know I like all my rings to be adjustable. So basically, I'm going to just start bending it just like this. Whoops. Bend the first one, see? And it's going to leave a little space in between as you bend it and go around. Okay. Just like this. So that was quick and easy, okay? And then all you do is you just take it and you start molding it just like this. You wrap it around. You can wrap it once or twice or how many times you want to. And then you put your finger in there because you want to make sure that it's going to fit your finger. Okay, just like that. Take it off. Okay, and then once you get that squared away, then you want to take your round nose pliers, come down to the end of it. You want to come down to the end, and then you want to make a loop, but you want to wrap it the opposite way. So basically, let me show you what I mean. This piece is going this way. You want this piece to go the opposite way. So then you just want to just start rolling it. Now, basically, you can do this a number of ways. You can make your corals close together, or you can spread them apart. So I'm going to spread mine apart just a little bit, just like that. And I'm just going to wrap it all the way down. Now, like I said, um, you don't have to leave your coils open like this. You can actually, like I said, you can bring them together if you would prefer. And how cute is this? This is really, really cute, and you can wear it instantly. Okay? And that's your ring. And you can wear it and this ring you can wear two different ways. You can wear it this way, or you can flip it and you can wear it this way. Now I'm going to make another one really, really quick because I want to show you how it's going to look with your coils real close together. But this time I'm going to do 12 inches instead of 10 inches because sometimes you need a little bit more wire so that your coils, or your spirals, I'm going to say, not coils, I should be saying spirals, so that they can, so that you can achieve the look that you want. So this time, let's see, this is that. This time I'm going to make my loop, and I'm going to add on six more beads. So I'm going to go ahead and add on my beads just like I did the first time. And I'm just going to show you how to do it, how to roll it up so that your coils can be a little, your spirals can be a little bit more defined. Okay. I'm going to put this one on. Add this. Okay. And all I'm going to do is do it just the same way that I did the first time, was bend it like this. Bend it. And just keep going around as you're bending it. And then you start making your shape so that it can fit your finger. You bring that over. Okay. Make sure that it fits your finger. Try it on. And then we're going to start making our spirals. So we're going to start down at the end. And we're going to start making our spirals. So we're going to start wrapping it. And of course, if you have a pair of nylon pliers, you can use the nylon pliers to help you. But I have a pair, but I choose to use my fingers because I like to to me it's a job working with those nylon pliers, to be honest with you. Some people can work really well with them, but I am just not that person. I work better with my fingers. So you see the difference? So this is what you'll have. Okay, so, and you can also wear it if you want to. You can wear these rings pretty much like on the tip of your finger too. So you can wear them, and this is really cute, y'all. And this one you can wear the same way. You can wear it like this, and you can bring this one down and really get stylish on them. And the thing about it too, when it's adjustable, you can adjust it and you can wear it the way you want to wear it on your finger. because guess what? You created it. So if you want to wear them on, and you can make you can make a lot of these and wear them down on the ends of your finger, and people will be like, "Where you get that from? That's really cute." I made it. Okay. So I just wanted to come to you all today to show you how to make and create these rings. And if you like this video, please like and share this video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, hit that bell, make sure you hit all on the side so that when I upload more videos, ladies and gentlemen, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all so very much for watching. I greatly appreciate each and every one of you all. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.